Kanis Fatma, your science teacher from the Educator Farooq Class campus. Today, 18 December 2020 and day Friday. Class first we recite the dua. So recite dua with me. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi yassir wala tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Ameen summa ameen. Class, our today's topic is inheritance and selection. Now first we will discuss about the inheritance. What are the inheritance? The qualities, maybe the good or the bad, which we inherit from our ancestor. This is called the inheritance in the scientific terms. Now question is that how we get the qualities from our ancestors? Class, you know that all living things made by the cell. It is the cell. In the center, nucleus, and in the nucleus the genetic material is there, and this genetic material which is present in the nucleus, this is the responsible for the inheritance or transfer the qualities from the one generation to the other generation. DNA. What is the DNA? D for deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is the responsible for making the genetic material which is present in the nucleus. Class, now I have told you about the DNA. Now I am going to tell you about the gene. What is the gene? Gene is the short section of the DNA. Gene is the short section of DNA, means the DNA is the larger one and gene is the shorter one, and it has the specific code. Which code? The protein code. Now the third point is the chromosome. Chromosomes is the thread-like structure which is made by the DNA. Gene is the short section of the DNA and chromosomes is the long molecular system of the DNA. Now we are going to discuss about the gender. What are the gender? You know that the human cell number of the chromosomes present in the pair form is the 23. In the male, V, X and Y, male, and in the female, both will be the X. What is the X and Y, and what are the X? X is the symbol for representing the female chromosomes, and Y is the chromosomes and is the symbol for representing the male chromosomes. In the male, the one chromosome is come from the mother and second come from the father, and they, when this time of the mating, made the male, and when the chromosome, X chromosomes come from the father and X chromosome come from the mother, and both will be the XX, and it's make the female. This is the gender. What are the gametes? The reproductive cell is called the gamete. In the male, the reproductive cell is sperm, and in female, reproductive cell is egg. Sperm and egg both are the reproductive cell and the sex cell, and this is called the gametes. Now class, on the board I have written the two terms, homozygous and the heterozygous. First, homozygous. Homo means common or the same. In the I have told we all get the qualities from our ancestor. If the father and mother both are the tall, so the gene all the same. If the mother is tall and the father is also tall, then the newborn get the same quality from their parents, this is called the homozygous. If the father is tall and mother is short, or so the newborn get the tall quality from their parents and from their father, and the shorter quality from their mother. So this gene is called the heterozygous. Now class, selective breeding and the natural breeding. First we will discuss about the selective breeding, and after that we will discuss about the natural breeding. What are the selective breeding? We choose the character by ourselves. When we feel that this plant and this animal is healthy, so we choose these plant or these animals and we bred them by themselves, by their own choice. This is the selective breeding. And the natural breeding, the breeding which occur naturally in the forest and the others, this is called the natural breeding, when the animal and the plant, we are not selected, not human without the human interference, natural breeding is done. Class, we have learned about the chromosomes, and I have told you the chromosomes is present in the cell of the nucleus, and in the nucleus the genetic material is present, and this genetic material is responsible for transfer the quality or the from their new generation. But in the cloning, what the cloning? In the laboratory, the man choose the characteristic and we made the identical and any other or any new animal. Okay? Remove the nucleus, and we know that what is in the nucleus? The genetic material. In the genetic material, they remove the nucleus. When they remove the nucleus, then and they select the quality and they insert in the new cell and the new animal form, and this new animal is exactly identical which the from their parents. And the dolly sheep is the best example of the cloning. The scientists made the dolly sheep by the cloning. Chapter number 8, Inheritance and Selection, page number 100. The first term is the DNA. I have told the DNA is the ribonucleic acid and it is the large molecules and it is complex. What is the gene? Gene is the short section of DNA. And the chromosomes is contain the long DNA molecule. And gender, I have told you about the gender. Gender, human body contain the 23 pairs of the chromosomes, and male X and Y and the female X and X. And gametes, what are the gametes? Gametes are the sex cell. Sex cell is called the gametes. Male gametes is sperm and female gametes is egg. In homozygous, the quality, the all same quality should be. If the father is black, the mother should be black, or they are brown, so both should be brown. The same quality is transferred, it is the homozygous, and in the heterozygous the different quality transfer in the new generation. In the selective breeding is the process we choose the characteristic. We choose means human choose. And in the natural breeding, the natural selection, we don't select by their self. Cloning an organism means create the new organism with same genetic information. The best example is dolly sheep. I have told you about the dolly sheep. Now class, your homework, assessment 2, page number 107, question number 1, define the chromosomes. Question number 2, what is meant by the cloning? And question number 3, what is an other name of the sex cell? Question number 4, how was the dolly shape bred? Question number 5, how is recessive character shown? And B, answer the following question into 2 or 3 sentences. In which 2 contests is cloning used? What is the difference between the natural selection and the selective breeding? What is the difference between the homozygous and heterozygous? Question number 4, what do scientists mean when they term genes is dominant and recessive? Now class, your homework, first you make the title page, inheritance and selection, and assessment 2, exercise A and exercise B, page number 107 and 108. Now class, we will meet in the Zoom class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.